Today, we are going to talk about the future tense. We will look at how to use it, which verbs to use when discussing the future tense, and how to make a sentence and a question using it. Remember, you will need your pen, a highlighter, and a note-taking sheet while watching today's video. Write down any questions that you may have for your teacher as we go. Remember, you can pause the video, rewind, and watch it as many times as you like. The most common future tense verbs are will and be going to. We also use the present continuous tense to talk about the future. We will review these points later on in the video today. To begin with, however, we will talk about the future tense using the modals may, might, and could. We use may, might, or could for the future when there is a possibility of something happening. For example, we may go shopping this weekend. I might study human resources at university. The weather report said it could rain tonight. Keep in mind that each sentence has a modal and an infinitive verb. For example, the first sentence, we may go shopping this weekend, has may and then the infinitive verb go. Remember, the infinitive does not have an ending, such as s or ing. The second sentence, I might study human resources at university, includes the modal might plus the infinitive verb study. Again, after a modal, there should be an infinitive. The third sentence is, the weather report said it could rain tonight. This sentence includes the modal could and the infinitive verb rain. All of these sentences show a possibility. Something may or may not happen, such as going shopping on the weekend, studying human resources, or raining tonight. We use will and an infinitive verb when making an offer. This is because there is a strong chance that something might happen or that you need to make a quick decision. The following sentence is an example of using will when making an offer. It's hot in here. I'll turn on the AC. We also use will when there is a strong chance that something may happen later on, that it most probably will. Such as, hey, I'll talk to you later. We also use will when we need to make a quick decision. For example, I think I'll have a cappuccino. This sentence shows the speaker is deciding quickly about an order in a restaurant. We use am, is, are plus going to plus a verb when we have made a plan for something. We also use it when we are 100% certain that something will happen. Alia is going to go to Ferrari World. What are you going to do tomorrow? That iPad is going to fall off the desk. 100% certain. We also use the present continuous to describe future plans. When using the present continuous, we add a time word as well. For example, what are you doing later? I'm driving to Sharjah tonight. She's going home after class. We are going to examine how to make questions using the verb to be plus going to plus verb. There are two types of questions in English: information questions and yes/no questions. Information questions are answered with information and not just yes or no. The questions also begin with the question word. For example, where are they going to stay on vacation? Or, where is he going to stay on vacation? To make these questions, we start with the verb to be, am, is, or are. Then we write the subject, such as they, he, we, you, Ali, Anna and Maria. The next part is going to plus an infinitive verb, such as stay, like in the above questions. Answers to these questions might be, they are going to stay at the Hilton Hotel, or just simply the Hilton Hotel. The point is that the answer is information, not yes or no. To make yes/no questions, we use the same pattern as we do with information questions. The difference is that we don't use information words at the beginning. Some example questions might be, am I going to be in trouble? The question begins with the correct form of the verb to be. It is then followed by the subject, which is then followed by going to plus an infinitive verb, which is a normal verb without an S or ing ending. Let's try to practice using the future tense by correcting some sentences. You will need your pen and your note-taking sheet to complete this activity. I is going to the bakery tomorrow morning. What is wrong with this sentence? The problem with this sentence is that the word is not the correct form of the verb for the subject I. The correct form for I is am. Let's try this question. What's wrong with the question? What I am going to do tonight. What is wrong with this question? The problem with this question is that the subject and the verb to be are not in the correct place. It should be, what am I going to do tonight? Let's try one more sentence. I might go to the cinema tonight for a 100% plan. What is the problem with this sentence? For plans that are 100% certain, the sentence should be, I am going to the cinema tonight, or I am going to go to the cinema tonight. That is all for today. Remember to re-watch this video as many times as you like. Thanks for watching, and good luck.